Hey, what's happening, sneaky heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get those videos started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That weekly
Ye-
heat, baby. That
Yep.
weekly heat. These are the hottest shoes that are coming out from June 22nd to June 28th. Let's go ahead and start off. So, to my surprise, believe it or not, we got no Jordans this week. I'll say again, we got no Jordans this week. I don't know what's going on. I mean, as of the time of this recording, there's no Jordans scheduled to drop, but who knows? We may get a shock drop or whatever, a restock. So, Jordan brand is good for that, but we have to wait and see. So, starting off on June 24th, we do have a Kobe Air Force One. So, these will be coming out a price point of $150. So, this doesn't really have an official name. It's on the colors of this is a light yellow, and it does have some purple hits on it. Overall, it looks like a butter. That's what I'm gonna describe this colorway as. The overall shoe. It is has some nice details. We do see that looks like some premium leather on this Air Force One. I do like the touch they put on the midsole because I just noticed closely. We do see Kobe Bryant's signature on there, so that is a nice touch. And they give it that pop of color. We do see that purple outsole that's popping out. And like my brother said, they are listening to us because look at those laces. They gave us multicolored laces.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. And another thing, they do have purple on the tongue where the normal toe tag is. It is done up in purple. And as we can see the inside, we do see Kobe Bryant Steph logo in one shoe and Kobe Bryant's signature shoe on the other. These are some special insoles. As we see, one of them has Kobe Bryant on it. Moving around to the back of the shoe, they did a nice touch with this shoe by putting that big oversized 8 on the back. They could have probably made this shoe pop a little bit more. Maybe if they put the center of those 8s purple to give it a little bit more contrast, but I'm not mad overall at these. Looking at the bottom of the sole, we do see that purple outsole. Nothing special there. The laces look like some thick back in the day, like you was wearing those Puma breakdancing laces. You put those in there. And if we notice on the side, we do see that along that Nike swoosh, we do see that pop of purple on the leather edge of the shoe. I do think that's a nice touch. Overall, I am rocking these because what they represent. Kobe Bryant. And what about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm really liking those shoes. I'd be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I'm liking the Kobe signature, but the laces, I get what they're saying. They are listening to us for us flipping the colors, but fat laces? Come on, man. Fat laces? Really? Come on, man. So I'm not liking that. And I agree with you, my brother, with the oversized 8. They should have did more with that. I like the color purple, what you were saying, right? That's royalty. And we know Kobe was the real deal. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking.
So what we got next, my brother?
So on June the 27th, we do have a collaboration, Ma Maniere and Nike Air Max 95. These shoes, price point for those are going for $200. Again, they're coming out on June 27th. I really like this shoe, and I'm liking this shoe for 3 reasons, because they took 3 different shoes and to combine them into this one shoe, right? So I'm really liking that. I'm liking how the stitching, I'm liking how you got that A Maniere signature on that toe. I'm really liking that with the shoestrings, right? I love what they're doing with that color. This is a nice clean shoe. Hey, the only problem I really got with this shoe is the timing. This more is a fall shoe, right? And not really a summer shoe. And saying that, I will be dropping those just for that reason, because of the timing. I just think the timing wasn't right to come out with this. Hey, it's a clean shoe, very quality shoe. Price point of $200. Hey, in the summer, no, we could have did better with that collaboration. But overall, hey, that's just my opinion. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
I agree with you. I'm dropping these as well. Not because of the timing, but more, I'm not really an Air Max 95 person. I don't have any Air Max 95s in my collection, and I'm not going to start now just because these are a collaboration. But we know that A Maniere does do nice work with their leather and attention to detail. So if you do rock with the Air Max 95s, I do recommend grab you a pair if you want these. But let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe of the list, I do believe that this is the hottest shoe out right now. As you know, that Caitlin Clark is playing for the WNBA. She plays for the Indiana Fever, and They look like they are dropping her PE. Is set to drop on June 30th for a price point of $190. Kind of strange that these are coming out in men's sizing. They should have probably dropped these in grade school as well, because I know a lot of the girls would love to rock these with her jersey, because we know that she's the #1 selling jersey probably and t-shirts in the WNBA, and she is really moving the crowd. If you haven't done so, please check her out, because she's an excellent WNBA player. But overall, this shoe is featured in blue, and it does have the Nike swoosh with the radiant hit. It does start off with yellow, moving back, fading to that orange, moving around to the heel. We do see the Kobe signature on the back, because these are Kobe's that she is wearing. However, this is considered like a PE colorway because it matches the jersey that she wears. Move around to the toe box. We do see that beautiful orange laces in there that makes the shoe pop, as well as that radiant tongue going up to the top. And this is overall just a nice basketball shoe, and I will be rocking these because of what it represents. And Caitlin Clark is one of the major stars in the WNBA right now, and we wish her the best of luck. Well, what do you think about these, my brother?
Hey, I will be rocking those. I'll be rocking those as well. Reason being is because, hey, I live in Indiana, so I am a Fever fan. I'm really liking what she's bringing to the community. So, hey, nice work there. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. So drop us a comment down below if y'all rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others.
Peace.